Lovely Mommy TV. I'm Natasha, and today I'm in the kitchen with my two kids. This is Cameron.
Hi.
And this is Avery.
Hi.
And we're going to be making one of our favorite things to bake together, which are protein banana nut muffins. They're really great as a breakfast muffin for the kids before they go off to school. I even like to have them for dessert after dinner because they're really tasty. This will be a very quick and easy recipe, so stay tuned. If you're coming back, welcome back and thank you. If you're new to Lovely Mommy TV, this is your first time watching one of our videos, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it all the way to the end. Alright guys, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Okay Cameron, you want to mix up the eggs while Avery, you peel the bananas into the big bowl? Go ahead. These are nice, ripe, sweet as can be bananas. Good job, Avery. Good job, Cameron. It's okay. It's all going into one mix.
That's funny.
Okay. Good job with the eggs, Cameron. Now, Avery, you want to take the fork and mash up the banana?
Sure. Now I'm gonna do that.
What can you do now? You can wait to the next step.
I want to do this.
You know what that is?
It's melted butter.
That's right. Half a cup of melted butter. And once we get all the bananas smashed really good, we can add those in.
I'm gonna have to do the easy one. Picture is really messy. It's art too.
Okay, you want me to help you?
Yeah. It's almost juicy though.
Yeah, it's getting there. Let me help you. Bring it all the way.
Thanks. It's really good helping. No. Really good. Just give a look and know you would do it. Give it thumbs up.
Okay, Cameron. Now can you add the melted butter? Carefully, carefully, carefully. This is half a cup or 1 stick of unsalted melted butter.
All of it.
You can put all of it in at once, Cameron. Good job.
This is really easy. Just put it all in.
Pour all of it in. We need all of it. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. And I pour it all in. Good job stirring, Avery. Okay, now in this bowl, we have all of our dry ingredients, and that is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of almond flour.
That's all you say.
The almond flour is what brings the protein to these muffins. Then we also have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of salt, all combined in here. So we're going to slow down on the mixing. Avery, you've been doing good. But now we're gonna wanna add a little bit of flour at a time, or a little bit of our dry mixture. Whisk it in. Let Cameron let Cameron do some mixing now. Okay, and then we're gonna alternate with the egg, and we have 2 eggs in this bowl. So Avery, you're not gonna pour the eggs all at once. You're just gonna pour it a little bit at a time. That's good. And then we're gonna go back and add in a little bit more of our rye mixture. Not all of it yet, a little bit more though.
That's it, that's it.
That's it, go ahead. Good job. Good job with the whisk, Cameron. You want to whisk it nice and gently.
I'm doing it gently.
Okay, Avery.
A little bit more.
You can add a little bit more of the egg. Perfect. You can add the rest of the flour now.
All of it?
All of it.
One thing.
Good job. Add the last bit of the egg in. Good job. All right, Cameron, make sure you're getting all the way to the bottom of the bowl.
Oh, a bubble.
Okay, so I'm going to add our chopped nuts to the bowl.
Who's this gonna see?
You had some in your hand, guys.
Yes.
Really? Okay, add those in too. And Avery, go ahead and mix it in gently, gently. Mix in?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
So quick.
So quick. Okay, so this recipe should get you to 12 muffins. And one last thing that I like to do before putting it in the oven is top it off with some chopped nuts. And I'll be putting this into my oven at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. They cook really quick, so keep an eye on them, okay? Unfortunately, the kids ate all of the chocolate chips, or a lot of them, before we got to mix them in. So I usually like to top off the chocolate chip ones with a few chocolate chips too, but we didn't have enough this time. But you guys make sure you get to do that. Look at how lovely those look. I just pulled them out of the oven. They're nice and warm and beautifully brown. These are our banana nut breakfast muffins. You guys ready to try one?
Yes.
Alright, just a minute. Here are our muffins. Thank you so much for watching.
Give a thumbs up.
Yes, give a thumbs up and
2
2 thumbs up
or 3.
or 3 thumbs up. If you try this recipe, please leave a comment and let me know how it came out. Share pictures on Instagram. Thank you so much, and I know you're going to enjoy this if you give it a try. Bye!